I made this movie presentation especially for my friend Min, and I'm going to show both BIM and ERP. ERP is my forte, and here I'm showing a very revolutionary kind of ERP which will integrate from the BIM. BIM or digital twin is now a regulation, and I have done from 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D. I'll show you that the 5D, 4D and 5D is integrated on the fly in the browser, and it can come on at the mobile. You can play this in the mobile. You can just take this link and play it in the mobile. There are many other cool features. Let me open the screen. I can have X-ray mode. I can make it with nice effect, coloring. You see, can change the ambience. Can put in shadow. Okay, and you can put in night mode. Okay, all this cannot be done by commercial software, because they lock you in various silos. These few applications all merged, integrated from the ground up on the browser. Okay, this browser technology is actually just been released. It's not something that they can easily take over, just like Toyota trying to take on BYD or a petroleum car trying to take on electric. It's not that easy. Let me show you. Let me stop talking and show you more stuff. You can have 2D. Okay, you can have the for example the ground floor. I have to turn it on reverse, sorry. No, it's on the first floor, sorry. Yeah, so we all the doors there with the side. This is what the architect need. Of course I will do some refinement, but I'm going to show you something that they may not have. Let me turn off the shadow and the night. Basically, if I put this with the cutter and I cut down, oh sorry, it takes some time. There was okay, you see I cut down the building, and you can then have new grid being formed, and then you can reverse it, and then you take the picture. Okay, so you can do it in 3 dimensions. I'm showing here. As you can see, it's the other way. Alright, you can have a cross-section cut. I'm showing here. Easily on the fly in your browser, even on your mobile, with really no lag at all, and it's offline. It can work offline. Let me prove to you that it can work offline. I'm going to switch off my internet. Okay, it's working offline. Okay, now there's another killer. Oh, there are a lot of killers here. Let me show you. It is if I press the C shortcut. I use shortcut keys, and you look down here. You can have clashes. Let's say electrical. Okay, MEP and article. So if you are to hit it, able to zoom in, you cannot have this in Autodesk or Solibri. Navisworks, yes, but it'll be slow. It'll be slow like here, and it's expensive. And this I'm giving it free to the world, okay? Because there are so many small architects building masjid, and they want to know the costing. They can use this for maintenance, even collecting wakaf, even collecting zakat. They can use this. This fire extinguisher. Okay, they can use this to sort of show the makmum which item they can pay their zakat on, because a maintenance, because all this has maintenance record where you hand over. This is the BIM 5D concept, which I already have it here, alhamdulillah. So no, I'm going to show you another cool things. Navisworks has this thing, but I do it better. I just mouse down. Look at this. Okay, it will show you all the occurrence here. All right. What else can I show? What else can I show? Yes, you can have a clash report. Let me shoot on this one. It's coming out. It takes a while. Look at it. Suppose you have a heat map. Hang on. I'll do it again for you all. Never mind. But I've shown you that you can do all this report. Okay. The ERP side, I'll show you later. Let me do something cool here. Let me turn on shadow, so you can the shadow there. I think you already see the night vision. Okay, so with this shadow on, let me turn on the time machine. Have you heard of the time machine? No one else has this. Okay, no one else has this time machine. Alright, with the Gantt chart, with the dashboard, and then we start it. It begins from scratch. Okay, it begins. Follow the sun. Following the sun. And let me put it in a nice spot. Let me maximize the screen. So if anything you like to ask, consider it done, because I'm using very advanced. I'm the best programmer in the world. Okay. I'm one of the best programmers in the world. 40 years of experience going around the world, my friend. So, what does that mean? It means Allah given me lots of experience. I've done all the toughest projects in the world. You name it: migration, crashes, ERP. Mine, chrome mine, steel factory, steel foundry, a plantation, Ministry of Finance in Thailand. A big hospital in Vietnam, VTL, travel over the world, 41 countries. My last one was Hong Kong, China, 2-3 years ago. So I'm out of retirement because this is fun, because ERP is boring. And you can speed up things here, okay? You can speed things up, my friend. Whatever you want to do. You can do it in an hour, slow it down, okay? That's very slow. And push it back to the day. Right. What else can I show you? Okay, I think that's it. That's the movie. I'm supposed to show you on the ERP side. Yes, you'll be integrated to the ERP, and then you can look up information, okay, and so forth. And let's say accounts, all the accounts, you can click on it. Right, but if you want to see all accounts, you just do a long click. Let me show you on products. Where's the product? Warehouses, okay, location. Let me show you something. And you see, I'm offline. I'm offline. This is only one. You can be underwater. Okay, categories, invoices, shipments. You haven't seen any. This is from the whole big ERP migrated inside here. Orders, right? Payments. Okay. So prices, country, account. You click a long click, boom, you show all this. Okay. So how about other things? Invoices. A long click. Here you are. See, you can browse through. I'm doing it for editing next, and then it can be seen in browser, and then jumping around, okay, by the tab, okay. So it's still not finished, but it'll be finished. It'll be finished, okay. This is the best in the world, and you can have issues. You can have many languages. What language do you want? You want Brazil? I'm offline. So I have to get back online. Hang on. I get back online. So let me change the language. I'm supposed to change the language. Yes. See, it's coming out in Brazilian. I would switch it to, let's say, Urdu or Hindi. I can change it to, where's the Arabic? Okay, here I can have Arabic, Kaifa haluka, ila liqad, and then we have French. Is that French? No, Skunden German, Deutsch, Français, parle français, merci beaucoup, and Hawaii. 你知道吗？就是Hawaii all is in Hawaii. You see, oh, I already have hospital just now. See, all in Chinese. I'll show you the terminal. This is a Malaysian project. See how fast. Don't translate. Don't translate. Oh, no, don't translate. Don't translate. I want Chinese. Yes. Okay. Look at this. And let's say you zoom, and you zoom to your limit. You can go for. Oh man. You can go for this reset and zoom more. See, let me show you the whole place. And then you want to zoom and you reach your limit. You reset and you zoom some more. See what I mean? Let's go to the end. Let's go down a bit. You can have fine so that it can be very sharp. Oh, I don't like the colors. Don't worry, I don't like the colors. You can do this and you can switch the color. The color has some black. You can switch the color. Okay, that's it from me. Let me show you the biggest one. This is from New City of Auckland. But basically, whatever Autodesk can do, I can do. Whatever and do more than them. You see, this I can put up to 1 million. This 122,000, and you see I put on the fly mode. You see how smooth they are. Okay, how smooth. And also the sharing. I've not shown you on the mobile. If we go on the mobile phone, we can share things. Okay, let me put back this ruler. Let's say I want to measure, or I want to know all the statistics of this building. I just go right, and you see how many walls, how many plates, how many slab, beam, windows, 976 windows, just like that. So, okay, I'm going back to this Clash. I also can have a walkthrough on your mobile. You can basically walk through the whole building. Try on your mobile. Take the link and go on the mobile. Okay, this is a bit heavy. Let me just show one thing. Okay, let's say you located this problem here. It's very quick. Let me show another problem. How about that? Okay, let's say you have this problem. That's very clear. You share with your engineers. What do? You just long click. It comes here. You draw a circle. You can add in pictures and then you share with the WhatsApp. Let me share with, you can have QR code, you copy it, or share with WhatsApp. Also, no need. I'll do just where is it? Okay, where is it? Okay, I'll just long queue. I'll just copy the URL. Okay, I'll just go anywhere. I'll go to my friend here and then I will just share it. Oh, I also must put the picture. Never mind. This is just the idea. He will click on this. Look here. He click on this from his phone. And he will get exactly this. After he downloaded, it will go right into where that spot is. Okay? You get what I mean? Fully transportable, security and so forth. That's the enterprise usage. That is my area. Have no fear, brother. Have no fear. In the world, there must be the only one above Elon Musk. Alright, done. If you have any problem, just click on here. You have a help, and you can report a bug. It was sent to me, email or GitHub. Everything is thought of because of my long years of experience, right? You see the speed from the home in Putrajaya, very bad line. You can still do this. And if you want a very quick, beautiful sample, it's just within a second. Within the second, in no time. It's only 1 megabyte for everything. Okay. So let me show you this. How beautiful this is. A nice single house, and you can have the shadow, right? And you have the night mode. Look at that. Immediately, you can sell your houses. Just drop off the IFC from your Autodesk, and you create it from the 2D just now I was showing you. Okay, and it's multi-screen. Okay, here you have a duplex. Again, I'm going to put in the special effect, right? Where's the shadow? Okay, shadows over here, and then you can have the night mode, and also I have variants. This way you drop your IFC. You come here, you drop your IFC. For example, I'll drop a very simple one. Let me take this rabbit 3. You see, just simple one. You see, you start dropping, and then you open it. It's very quick, all right? And there you are. You can open it and you can share it. The database, IFC file, go back to the Autodesk, and this all merge. If I click on this, it's coming out. Never mind. So you can see clear cache, and you can read further documentation here. What exists today? What's missing? Where we sit? Here's the gap. Closing the gap. You can start here. And what you say is that what Autodesk, Primavera, SAP should have done together long ago, but I couldn't wait. And that's me, right on. I'm famous for leading the Rebel Community Fork of the Galaxy at the end of 2006, and then we hit to IBM Light Technology 2010, but it got boring, so last year I reinvented myself. Okay then, that's it from me. Hope you enjoy this century of Fardu Kifaya. Salam.